Hey y'all, so I'm leaving Mequon Nature Preserve and this was freaking amazing. I haven't been out in nature in like at least a month or two, right? It's literally like my happy place. It's the place that I go and can be calm and grounding and, connect with my spirit guides. And today I had the opportunity to do that. And it was beautiful. They have a tower where you can climb up and, see the nature grounds from a high view. I ended up seeing a family of deer. That was super amazing. Also, when I was leaving, there was a bird like literally surrounding me. Like it circled me at least once as if it was saying bye. It was super loud as I was walking by, and I was saying to myself like, what's up, hollering at my spirit guides, right? And then I noticed it started to surround, like make a circle around me, and I was like, wow, that never happened before. But it was super amazing, super beautiful. No better place to engage in nature than a nature preserve, right? So y'all have a good day and make sure you get outside, enjoy nature. It's free. All right, love you.